Alright, so what we're going to talk about in this video tutorial is mirroring. It's a very important tool and command to use. So let's get ourselves straight here. And what I like to do is just get myself set up so I know where the center of my plate is. Alright, so sometimes drawing the mounting holes for something can take you a little bit of time, and so with the mirror command it's going to save you quite a bit of time, okay, because you're going to dimension this first hole, okay, so it's going to handle 1/4 inch screw. Okay, so now we're going to select the outside of the screw, outside of the hole, excuse me, and we're going to hold down the control button, make a selection of our horizontal center point or center line, and up here we're going to say mirror entities. So what that's going to do is mirror the hole about the center line. And there we go. Okay, so I've only dimensioned this particular hole, and if we go down and we use our little measuring device here, that's 1/4 inch, and that's 1/4 inch. Well, so if you're using this measuring tool, you're going to click somewhere out in space or make sure it's deselected. So let's go ahead and do it again, and that guy's 1/4 inch. Alright, so now we're going to use our mirror command one more time. We have single selected each one of those. Actually, let's select the first hole, hold down the control button, select the second hole, and we're going to use the vertical center line this time. So we've selected all three while holding down the control button. Now we're going to choose mirror entities again. Boom. And in that, we have just dimensioned one hole, and all of them are mirrored. Now let's show you why it's important to dimension. So let's say you come back and the circuit board didn't fit, or there's plates mounting somewhere and it's got to be changed out. Okay, your holes are going from 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch. Okay, so by us only by dimensioning the first hole, and then mirroring everything else, you have a relationship built in that they will all follow. Okay, so we changed this diameter and they all changed. We changed the direction or the length from the vertical side and the horizontal side, and they all changed. So they're all related because they were mirrored together. So I hope you enjoyed the mirror command. Look forward to seeing you again.